And I just wanted to make a review video on this light fixture for a bathroom. So this is what it looks like. This is the matte black. It's got the three lights there, and I haven't put on the glass bulbs yet. So here are the glass bulbs that you'll put right on here. It's got a lock nut that goes inside. So very easy to install and put together, and then put into, so that's what it'll kind of look like. So there'll be three of those. Comes with the mounting hardware, everything you need. It comes with a glove to wipe off your glass to, so you don't have fingerprints when you're putting in your bulbs. But let's install this. And we're going from a 2 light fixture design, a little bit narrower, and going to a black one. Okay, I've got the ground connected. Then you've got your hot and your neutral. Got the bracket on there, ready to go. Attach our white and black right there, and then mount that on. There's a screw for the bottom and a screw for the top. Okay, so now this is installed, and now time to put the globes on. Okay, and then this is what it looks like when installed. I've got LED bulbs in here. You can get the Edison type bulbs as well. Let's turn it on. It's gonna be super bright. And there you go, super bright. That's what it looks like. Nice glass bulb right there. Let's turn it off so you can actually see it, but very nice look. I got a little bit of repair on the back, on the wall there, but that's what it looks like.